My name's Scott. I'm a construction worker on the roads. Work permanent night shift, but the goal is to try and get out of that lifestyle through property.
And what made you choose this event?
I think it's a lot of hands-on with the phones. I've already got my first rent-to-rent, but I'm willing to either pick some more deals up and get them sold.
And what have you noticed?
To pull more people up. People that are struggling in the room, I just thought help them out as much as I can. And just fearless, don't be scared to pick up the phone.
So what's the networking in this type of event like?
I cannot describe it, to be honest. It's out of this world. There's so many people to talk to, so much advice getting thrown about. I recommend it to anybody.
Awesome. And my question would be similar to what you just said, but like, would you recommend this to someone?
100%. 100%. You've got this money sat in the bank. You're best off investing in your education and then invested in property to know first.